Behemoth, Beelzebub, Asmodeus, Satanas, Lucifer.
Там машина главное стоит. Может просто выйти. Şuralar ateş. Bak, of. Ah 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 ah. Ah ah of of.
I want you to study this for a moment. This is a live weather app. There is plenty of them online. Just go find any website with live weather and choose option for wildfires. Now, I do believe that they happen now and again in some parts of the world and don't disturb people much. But this looks like the world is on fire. Entire world, every county, even state of Alaska burns. Where I am in the UK, I haven't seen such cold summer ever in my life. It's cold. How could there be wildfires at once everywhere? How? Are we gonna have any food left in next few months if everything burns? Guys, wherever you are from, can you let me know your land is not on fire? Look at Americas and Africa. It's covered in red. What's going on there? Why is entire land burning? If we all would end up being misplaced and homeless, what will happen to all of us? Just a hypothetical thinking.
Okay, y'all. This here is a map. This map is showing all of the wildfires in 2023. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. We're not even in the dry season. Can anybody explain to me how is there so many wildfires, quote unquote, supposed to be natural, right? And if you notice, look at Michigan and then look at where Canada is from Michigan. Also, can someone explain to me how can all these wildfires that is nowhere by Michigan or in the part of Canada that's by us can cause so much smoke and damage? Somebody let me know.
We have got to protect ourselves. Do you see this? This is fires. This is a map of North America, and these are where the fires are current as of the last 24 hours. We cannot do anything to stop these fires. We do not have control of what's going on around us, but we have control of our bodies and of ourselves. And I want to recommend a couple things. Spirulina. It's a algae that grows in the ocean or in lakes, and it is a binder. It binds to things in our system and flushes them out. If you are inhaling toxic smoke, if the air around you is polluted, they are calling for some of the most polluted air that we have ever seen, especially the closer you get to New York. If you are in those regions, if it is smoky, if it's hazy, if it smells, and you are breathing in toxic stuff, go to the nearest store, get online, buy spirulina. It comes in powder form, capsule form. Take it regularly until the air is cleaned up. The other thing you can do is get activated charcoal. You can take it as well. It's a binder. It will flush things out of your system, but you also can get it in like an open form where you pour it into like a cup or into a bowl, and you can set it in your living room, in your house, in the places that you are at. It will help with the smell, but it will also help with the toxins and the chemicals that are being released that you are inhaling that are not good for your body. They are calling for national emergencies in some areas because of the toxicity levels that we are seeing. So please protect yourself. Tell your friends and your family, get activated charcoal, get spirulina, get things in your body to support your health during these times.
Se cayó.